And it's amazing that we have been actually giving out the Black Ladies for 60 years, 6 decades. It's almost seems unbelievable. With a handful of movies 6 decades ago in just two states, the awards have grown and the industry has grown. This year, there were 607 films in contention. It's an amazing number. In Bollywood, there were 110 films made, and in South, 607 films were produced last year. And out of these, 205 are in contention to win the Black Lady. These are the 205 films which have been nominated across 21 categories and across 4 states. It's an amazing number, and I'm sure it is going to be the most deserving films, stars who are going to actually win the Black Lady. We are very proud of our association with the South Indian cinema. We have watched it grow, we have celebrated its growth, and we have watched the talent grow here in South India. And one of the most talented stars, actresses of South Indian cinema is here with us, Samantha. It's great that she's here with us to announce the 61st Idea Filmfare Awards to be held on 12th of July. She herself is a three-time Black Lady winner, and last year, I think it's a record of sorts. Last year, she won the Best Actress award for both Telugu as well as Tamil films. So I think it's a fantastic achievement, and what better person to have with us today? Uh, and it's great that we have with us Rajat of IDEA, because I can say it very happily that part of the credit of making Filmfare Awards bigger and better for the past 6 years goes to IDEA. They have been great partners, and they have also, through their mobile phones, been able to take the Filmfare content to a much larger number of people across India. So thank you, Rajat, for partnering us and for being such a support. And finally, thank all of you for being here and helping us to announce yet one more edition of the Idea Filmfare Awards here in Hyderabad. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rai. Now I request Mr. Rajat Mukherjee to please share a few words.
Thank you very much, Tarun, for those kind words. And Samantha, welcome. I didn't know that you were an existing Black Lady collector. So how many more are you planning to collect this time? Good, good, good. Brand idea has always been at the core an entertainment kind of linkage. And what more and what better entertainment could you have than Filmfare? So we have been associated with Filmfare for the last 6 years. And I do remember meeting Tarun on several times in the recent past, and we have spoken about our association together. IDEA will be, in any case, associated with 25% of our nearly 140 million subscribers in the South. And across these 4 different languages of Telugu and Kannada and Malayalam and Tamil, where we have 3G services, which can then host the plethora of content that we will be able to bring to our subscribers from the Filmfare South Awards, which is going to be held very shortly down in Chennai. So it's a great privilege for me to be here and share the stage once again with Tarun, and for the very first time with such a gorgeous young lady like Samantha. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mukherjee. Now I request Samantha to please speak a few words.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ చాలా చాలా సారీ అండి. ఆర్ఆర్సీ నుంచి వచ్చాను, చాలా దూరం. రబసా షూటింగ్ జరుగుతుంది. సారీ, ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ సారీ. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ ప్రౌడ్. మళ్ళీ నేను ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటున్నాను ఫిల్మ్ఫేర్ ప్రెస్ మీట్కి. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ వాజ్, ఐ కెన్ సే, ద మోస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇయర్ ఫర్ మీ. 2 Black Ladies, Best Actress Tamil, Best Actress Telugu, was the most defining moment for me in my career so far. So far, because I expect to win more. And so, you know, this award is, Filmfare especially, is very, very special for an actor, because it is kind of a booster to work harder. You know, sometimes it can be long days, long hours, 100 days on each film. But, and when we work so hard, and this acts as kind of a booster and inspires us to work harder and do better films, better roles. So, I personally, as an actor, thank Filmfare and Idea for hosting this brilliant award ceremony and um, and congratulating all the actors and all the technicians who work really hard in the film industry. I'm really proud to be here to announce the nominees and announce the press meet. I'm extremely privileged to be a part of this event.
Okay, we have Taruni. Please. We'll help you with the mic.
Um, yes, I really didn't expect last year to for me to get 2 awards last year. It was more than what I expected. I maybe expected one, but two was beautiful. It was almost like a fairy tale, and I think that got me a little greedy as well, as in two black ladies, one for and three actually. So it kind of makes me a little greedy. I want more and more. So yes, that I don't think that I select a film just for the awards, but I like to be challenged, and I think Filmfare has given me a great challenge because now I have to keep the black ladies going.
Okay, I have a question. Recently, we saw on your Facebook post that you watched Ooh Hallo Gussa Gussa Lade and you liked it. It's a small budget film and you liked it. Do you really think they should be also nominated in Filmfare?
Definitely. I have always been a huge, and I think they are. You know, it's not only the big films that are nominated. It's not only the hit films, commercially hit films that are nominated. In fact, the last year I won for a film that didn't really commercially work at the box office, and I got an award for that film. So I definitely don't think there is bias in nominations. I've always been a big supporter of small films that deserve like adulation and praise. So yeah.
Thank you.
Hi Samantha. How would we seeing you in Bollywood for full time? When will we see your entry in Bollywood?
I think that maybe never, because I am from the south. I love the films here. I love the work I get. I get more work than I can. Actually, I really need a break. So I don't think it would be anytime soon because I love the south.
Samantha, I have a question. Do you think that most of the South actresses are going to Bollywood? So you have more chances in South of grabbing all the movies?
Maybe I am their number one support. I'm like, go baby, go. Congratulations. No, I'll tell you, I think that honestly it's because, you know, the girls who are acting here are predominantly from the north and they want to go home. They want to speak their mother tongue. They want to do their movies, you know. So I think that it's very, very fair that the North Indian girls who do South Indian films want to go back to Bollywood.
You got any offers, and if yes, what kind of offers?
Yes, I do. What offers? No, but yes, I do get offers now and then, and I feel very happy about it because it feels good to get a good film with a good director and from Bollywood, and maybe one day, I don't know, I'm not sure. As of now, nothing.
The reason that is stopping you to go to Bollywood?
The work here.
Check. Samantha, no, could you throw some light on no, the dress you are wearing? You are just looking like a superwoman.
Because of the leathers. This is Burberry Prosum.
Who is the designer for the dress?
It's Burberry Prosum.
Hi, this is awards होता है फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स वाई साउथ में 4 लैंग्वेज एट अ टाइम क्यों while mix up with 4 the languages in one film fair award.
Well, that's how we started. As I said, we started with only 2 states 60 years ago. we would love to have one award ceremony, or at least one for each state finally, but at least we have toyed with the idea of having one for Tamil, or at least, and one for Telugu, and link the other two with these two. So instead of having one award every year, we have toyed with the idea of having two. With 607 films, yes, it is a bit difficult to actually manage with one award ceremony. So we take your point on board, and if idea supports us, we should do.
No, sir. Actually,
Samantha doesn't support. So, but yes, we have toyed with the idea. 607 films is a lot.
नो सर एक्चुअली तेलुगु में भी बहुत अच्छे मूवीज है, मतलब छोटे छोटे लोगों को भी अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा, यू नो, गुड टैलेंट आल्सो, एंड ऑलवेज लाइक इन तमिल मलयालम आल्सो. तो यू नो आई सी द नॉमिनेटेड मूवीज, ओनली सेलेक्टेड टॉप मोस्ट मूवीज है ओनली, राइट? सो फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड सबको रीच होना ना, इफ इट इज अ वेरी गुड.
No, as Samantha said, in terms of the categories, we have 21 categories for each and every language. So it's not as if that. So we have got actually 21 into 4 awards to be given out. So we don't leave out anything. It is just that for us to manage all of it on one day at one ceremony, and to manage 607 films is an issue. So I don't think that we are leaving out any films. And as Samantha said, we don't make a distinction about whether the film has done commercially well, or it's a big budget or a small budget. We are just there to identify and reward talent of the industry.
Thank you. Next.
Actually, also, I think in the South, especially, the same artists and technicians work in all, all 4 states. So I really don't want to go for 4 separate days. I really don't want to.
I have a question again. You are nominated this year, and you have Anushka and Nandita, Nitya, and all. Whom do you think is your tough
I love
competition?
Nitya Menon. Not competition, I wouldn't say competition, but I love her work. I think that if it was left to me, I would give it to Nitya Menon.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.